Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to the Art of Finance. And in today's video we'll be going over my Vanguard and Trading 212 account for the month of October. In my Vanguard account you can see we are currently at a £645 profit with a rate of return of 14.66%, giving us a grand total of £5,345. Now my account is slowly growing over time, and this is what we love to see, just being invested and our account just growing slowly but surely over time. As we can see, during the 1st of November we were at £4,778. Now this was due to the US elections. Now just before the US elections, the stock market and in general any market does usually take quite a hit from the elections, as the elections affect so many different things in so many different areas. So this can actually be seen in my account. As we can see, there was that slight dip, but after the elections anyway, my account did rise back up, which is not a problem. So that's why it is highly important to be highly diversified within the US market, for example, being invested in the S&P 500 and also being invested in other areas around the world, such as the FTSE 100, which is the top 100 companies within the UK. Now if we do take a look, the FTSE 100, I did actually invest £300 into it this month, as before I haven't touched it in a long time. As you can see, my last transaction was in April the 20th when I actually opened the account. Now I did see that this was very similar to the price that I bought in. I believe that I bought in at 98 for the FTSE 100, so I thought, you know what, there's not too much of a price difference, so I'm going to invest my £300 this month into the FTSE 100, as I do have around about 2,500 in my Trading 212 account in my Coca stock, so I did want to top up my FTSE 100. This is actually doing well. I did receive some dividends from it last month, which is excellent. The more the merrier. And speaking of dividends, for the S&P 500 for this month I received £13.62 worth of dividends, and that hasn't actually been reinvested just yet. I actually have a balance of £22 in cash. As you can see that for the accounts, £1.88 has been taken out, £1.77 has been taken out for the account fees. So I do like to keep maybe just a little bit in there, just so that when Vanguard is charging me fees, that I could get withdrawn straight away, so it doesn't touch into any of my investments, just in case if they sell it and they need to get their fees. So that's why I do keep a little bit in there, but definitely the next dividends that I will receive, I'll definitely reinvest that back into my portfolio. Taking a look at my Coca-Cola stock, we can see that my account value is at £2,000, and we are at a profit of £53. And as you can see that the Coca-Cola stock also did take a drop due to the elections. I was seeing previously around about £120 profit, but that took it down a hit to £53, and even just before the elections I saw it at a profit of £10. So that's how you can see that there's actually, the elections do affect the market very heavily, and there are so many things involved with it. And as we will see next, that also gold was affected by it also. Now gold actually has gone down a bit to 1,400, whereas before it was around about near the £1,500 mark. So like I said, the US election does affect a lot of different areas. And if we take a look at silver also took a hit as well, being around about the £18 mark as well, as it was slowly rising back up to the £20 mark. But I do believe that silver will definitely go down. I feel like this is not the time to buy in at the moment, but that should not stop you. This is my own opinion. If you feel like investors are still going to stay at the same price and shoot up, then definitely invest your money into it. Going over to crypto, like I said, I was looking at crypto for quite a lot, but I guess I might have missed my opportunity. So you can see in September, October, it was around about the 11,000 mark, and if I literally just invested and just opened up an account, I'll be in profits at the minute. But like I said, hindsight is 2020. You never know. I could have invested and it could have dropped significantly, But like I was saying in my previous videos, I was seeing a trend that Bitcoin was stabilizing, and this is after the elections as well. So maybe next month, if I take a look at it, I might invest into it, but I'm not too sure yet, just because it has went up. I did want to get into Bitcoin around about the 1100 mark, but oh well, it doesn't matter. Who knows what's going to happen with the stock market, whereas that's with Bitcoin. But tell me what you're investing in next as well. If you have any questions or comments, please like and subscribe, let me know, and I do get back to everyone. Thank you for listening to this video. This has been The Art of Finance. Peace.